This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Higgins, broker associate. The luxury life awaits you at Esplanade Golf and Country Club. An expansive open floor plan, southern exposure consisting of 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and amp, den plus a social membership, everything you need to enjoy a Florida lifestyle. Well-appointed coach home has a gourmet eat-in kitchen, separate formal dining and amp, a gracious spacious great room. Luxurious master suite and amp, bath has beautiful views of the lake. The second bedroom has a pocket door in the hallway and bathroom that offers complete privacy for your guests. Enjoy the convenience of a large laundry room with storage. Enjoy the views of the lake from your screened lanai. Or relax by the resort-style pool with a tropical drink from the tiki bar and amp, restaurant, or treat yourself to a massage at the on-site luxurious day spa. Esplanade really does have it all. A resort-style pool, satellite pool, cabanas, towel service, attended fitness, lockers, aerobic studio and poolside tiki CAF and #Z9, and bar. Brand new culinary center with fine dining and amp, multiple dining options, wine bar. Pickleball, tennis and social activities abound, miles of nature trails and dog park. North Naples close to top sandy beaches, more dining, shopping, I-75 and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Higgins, broker associate at 239-860-1585.